Qingdao RANICHE Machinery Technology Company Limited, a leading enterprise in the field of poultry slaughtering machinery, integrating R&D manufacture, sales and service, committed to providing efficient and advanced automatic solutions for the global poultry slaughtering industry. Founded in 2014 and located in Qingdao City, China. After years of development, RANICHE Machinery becomes one of the world's most professional poultry slaughtering machinery manufacturers. RANICHE's factory covers a construction area of over 30,000 square meters and has a professional team of more than 150 people. With professional technology and excellent management, the annual sales revenue has maintained a growth trend year after year. RANICHE adheres to the principle of survive by quality, develop by reputation. RANICHE is committed to building an efficient, standardized and modern production system with advanced manufacture equipment and a strict quality control system. RANICHE realizes full process management and control from raw materials to finished equipment to ensure that every set of equipment can meet the high standards required by clients. Innovation is the core driving force behind RANICHE Machinery sustainable development. RANICHE has never stopped on the path of technological research and development and always attaches importance to technological innovation and equipment development. With a professional R&D team, RANICHE accurately grasps market demands, creates comprehensive and diverse product line, provides personalized customized solutions, and builds a completed R&D and manufacturing system. RANICHE has always adhered to after-sales service commitments and integrated the concept of four-in-place service throughout the pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales processes. RANICHE provides clients with professional and scientific planning solutions and technical support to ensure the smooth operation of equipment, with rapid response to after-sales service and timely and efficient maintenance guarantees, helping clients achieve efficient and stable production goals. With over 10 years of development, Qingdao RANICHE Machinery Technology Company Limited has remained a pioneer in the poultry slaughter equipment industry. RANICHE Machinery continues to gain praise from foreign clients. To date, RANICHE has manufactured and installed over 100 poultry slaughtering lines. Its reach extends globally, with equipment exported to over 60 countries and regions spanning Southeast Asia, Africa, the Americas, the Middle East, and Central Asia. In the future, RANICHE Machinery will hold fast to its original aspiration and move forward, hand in hand with partners, promoting innovative development in the poultry slaughtering machinery manufacturing industry and creating greater social value.